I'm going to show a quick preview of the next generation of our AI assistant called ScreenMeet Fix. We're going to start this from an incident, so we have some context here about the incident where the user is having issues with Microsoft Teams. So now that we're on the device, we can open our AI assistant. First thing we notice is this is a bit of a cleaner UI, and because we have some incident context as before, we can say, what should I do? This time we're going to get a nicer experience, and we note that it's searching the knowledge base along the way, and we'll zoom in on that for a second. And now we have a token stream back, and because the AI found a relevant article in our knowledge base, it paraphrased some of that content in here and cited the source, which we can click on to go to the knowledge base article where the information actually came from in our ServiceNow instance. And we have a lot of other capabilities here that we've improved, and the ability to pass image data as part of the multimodal implementation has become much user-friendlier as well. As before, we can take a screenshot of the current screen with just one button and do that. But we've also added support to drag and drop an image file in here in case the image is coming from somewhere else, or even just paste image data. So I have a shortcut on my computer here where I can just drag and drop an area of the screen to put that into my clipboard. So I can just do that and paste from my clipboard. And now again, it gets back to work. It's going to analyze the image and tell me what I should do. We've also improved, again, the user experience here. So with things like code blocks, we can also copy and paste that. So if I ask it to give me a PowerShell script to dump audio info, it's going to stream that back out to me, and so we can copy that, and you can try running it. Just enable. And here you can see it's here's our audio dump. Copy that from the remote device and paste it into our AI. Let's see what it tells us about that. Now, aside from the more advanced features in session, we've also added a way to preview the different capabilities and different contexts when we're outside of the session. So this is the preview of the AI assist that customers can do when not actually in the session, and mock up experiences on different devices, and also try different options. So if I don't have any mock context from the CRM here, if I say, what should I do? Again, the AI will be somewhat confused because it has no context about what we're doing, so it just assumes troubleshooting Wi-Fi or something. Now, if I enable this to include CRM context, here we can pass mock incident information, like what the incident is about, or even put some notes that may have been added to the incident already, like already tried and uninstalling and reinstalling. And if we say, what should I do now? You see now we get a much better response. Again, that is tailored for Windows because we've selected Windows as the device and pasted some of the device info. Now if we switch the device type to macOS and try again, you'll see that the response will be tailored for macOS. And the other thing we can enable is searching the knowledge base. So if I do that, and again we restart this conversation and say, what should I do? This time, as part of the backend workflow, the AI agent will actually search the knowledge base and attempt to find relevant information there. So you see the response this time is quite different because now we found a knowledge base article, and again we've linked that article here, from the mock experience here, so that the technician can know where the information actually came from.